Hey, welcome back. I'm Josh Reef. And if you watched episode 1, you already know what nobody tells you before getting your real estate license. If you haven't watched it yet, go back and watch that one first. It sets the foundation for everything. But today, we're going one step further. You've decided you want to get into real estate. Or maybe you just got your license. And now you're asking yourself the question that every new agent asks. Where do I hang my license? Which brokerage do I choose? And I'm going to tell you right now, this decision matters more than most people realize. So let's get into it. First, let me tell you why choosing the right brokerage is one of the most important decisions you will make in your career. Your brokerage is your foundation. It affects your commission. It affects your training. It affects your reputation. It affects your tools. It affects who you're surrounded by every single day. And in real estate, who you're surrounded by shapes who you become. I've seen agents join the wrong brokerage and struggle for years because they had no support, no training, and no culture pushing them forward. And I've seen agents join the right brokerage and absolutely take off because they had the right environment, the right tools, and the right people around them. So don't just pick the first brokerage that calls you back. Don't just go where your friend went. Be intentional about this decision. It will set the tone for your entire career. Okay, so let's talk about the different types of brokerages, because they are not all the same. They are basically 4 categories. Number 1 is the big box national franchise. Think Coldwell Banker, Keller Williams, Remax, Century 21. These are household names. They have massive brand recognition. They often have strong training programs. And for a new agent, that structure and name recognition can really be valuable. Number 2 is the boutique independent brokerage. Smaller, more intimate, often hyper-local. You get more personal attention and a tighter-knit culture. But you may have less brand recognition and fewer resources. Number 3 is the luxury or premium brokerage. Think Compass, Sotheby's, Christie's. These are brands that attract a higher-end clientele. The tools, the marketing, and the technology are typically best in class, but the expectations are also much higher. Number 4 is the virtual or cloud-based brokerage. Think eXp Realty. No physical office. Everything is done online. The commission splits can be very attractive, but you lose the in-person culture and the face-to-face mentorship. Each one has pros and cons, and the right choice depends entirely on where you are in your career and what you need most right now. Let's talk about commission splits, because this is usually the first thing new agents ask about, and I get it. But I want to reframe how you think about this. A commission split is the percentage of your commission that you keep versus what goes to the brokerage. Some brokerages offer 50-50 splits. Some offer 70-30 splits, and some offer 90-10. And some offer 100% commission, but charge you a flat fee per transaction. Here's the thing though, a higher split means nothing. If you're not closing deals, a brokerage that gives you 60% of your commission, but trains you, supports you, and helps you close 10 deals a year is worth more than a brokerage that gives you 90%, but leaves you completely on your own, and you only close 2 deals. Do the math. Focus on the opportunity and the support first. This is the big one for new agents, training and mentorship. When you're interviewing brokerages, ask them directly, what does your training program look like? Is there a mentorship program? Will I have access to a mentor or a team lead? How often do you hold sales meetings or trainings? What does onboarding look like for new agents? Because here's the truth, your real estate license teaches you the law. It does not teach you how to sell. It does not teach you how to prospect. It does not teach you how to run a listing appointment. It does not teach you how to negotiate. You learn all of that from experience and from the people you are around. So if you're brand new, you need a brokerage that invests in your development, not one that hands you a desk and says good luck. Find a place that has real structure, real mentorship, and real people who want to see you succeed. In today's market, technology is everything. You need to know what tools a brokerage gives you access to. Ask about their CRM. Ask about their marketing platform. Ask about their listing presentation tools. Ask about their transaction management software. Ask about their lead generation support, because in 2026 and beyond, the agents who win are the agents who use technology to work smarter, not just harder. A great brokerage gives you tools that make you look more professional, work more efficiently, and serve your clients better, and those tools have real value. Factor them in when you're evaluating your options. Here is something that nobody talks about enough: culture. The culture of your brokerage will affect your mindset every single day. Are the agents collaborative or competitive? Does leadership actually care about your success? Is there energy and momentum in the office? Do you feel inspired when you walk in? Does it feel like just another job? This matters more than people realize. Real estate is hard enough. There will be tough days. There will be moments when you want to quit. And on those days, the culture around you is either going to lift you up or pull you down. So when you visit a brokerage, pay attention to the vibe. Talk to the agents there. Ask them honestly what they love about it and what they would change. You'll learn more from that conversation than from any recruiting pitch. And as far as brand, think about the clients you want to attract. If you want to work in luxury real estate, align yourself with a luxury brand. Your brokerage reputation becomes part of your reputation, so choose accordingly. Before I wrap up, let me give you some red flags to watch out for when you're interviewing brokerages. Red flag number 1, they make you feel like you have to sign today. A good brokerage is not desperate. Take your time. Red flag number 2, they can't clearly explain their training program. If they're vague about how they support new agents, that tells you everything. Red flag number 3, the agents there seem unhappy or disengaged. Cultural is visible. Trust what you see. Red flag number 4, they only talk about commission splits and never mention support, training, or culture. A split is meaningless without the right foundation. And red flag number 5, your gut says no. Trust that. In real estate, your instincts are one of the greatest assets. Start using them right now. Choosing the right brokerage is one of the first big decisions of your career, so take that seriously. Do your research and interview multiple brokerages. Ask those hard questions and choose the place that gives you the best chance to become the agent you're capable of being. I'm Josh Reef. If you found this helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications, because I drop new content every single week. To help you build your real estate career the right way, I'll see you on the next one.